Wonder Kid Preschool, where I love to learn and play. Wonder Kid Preschool, it all begins with wonder. Hello. Whoa. Oh, it hurts so much. Talking about look, today we are going to learn about O. The sound it makes is ah. Can you repeat after me? Ah. Now, do you know things that starts with the letter O? Yay! Something that Mommy used for cooking. Ta-da! Oil. Oil. Again, miss. Oil. Oil. How about this one? I like it so much. Yum. Ta-da! My favorite snacks. Yum. Oreo. Oreo. Yum. Yum. I don't want to eat too much Oreo. Not good for my health. This is something that Mommy likes to use for cooking. Onion. Onion. What is it? Onion. Yes. Mommy, I'm hungry. Eat this, bear. Omelette. Omelette. Yum. Yum. Friends, do you like omelette like me? What is it? Omelette. Omelette. Oh, now I'm so thirsty. Aha! I know what to do. Let's drink this one. Orange juice. Orange juice. Now I am full and I'm not thirsty anymore. And I want to go to school again. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.